Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on CRV. As in my earlier video of CRV, I was showing you a very big breakout from a big falling wedge pattern. And after that, on a daily time frame chart, CRV formed this down channel. And after breaking out this channel, it was still moving inside this another up channel. And now we have broken out the resistance of this up channel. And still, price line is struggling to break out this quite long-term resistance of 80 cents. The target that I was telling you for this breakout from this down channel was here at the top of the channel. That was approximately at 67 or 68 cents. And you can see that the price end had rallied beyond that target up to 85 cents. And during this rally, the price end also broke out the resistance of the channel. And the target for this breakout from this channel that we were expecting was here. That was approximately at 76 cents. And you can see that the price end even rallied beyond that target as well, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 80 cents. You can see we had a long spike up to 85 cents, the price end, but it could not break out this long-term resistance of 80 cents. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 80 cents has been previously breaking as a very strong support here for several weeks or months, and now it is breaking at the resistance. We got rejection here. We had a long spike, but could not break it out, and this time again, we had a long spike, but so far the price and is not able to break out this resistance. And on this 7 days time frame chart, we have also broken out this very huge falling wedge pattern as well. And after the breakout, the price and retested the previous resistance of the wedge as a support and geared up. And at the same time, it is also entered inside in this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, their trade setup for Harvest Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 26th of Feb 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the stop loss. And the sell target is done and the stop loss was below $42.57. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after clicking this button, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was another very nice pump. Now let me take you to the live chart of CRV. And here, as in my earlier video, I was showing you that after breaking out this very big falling wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart, it formed another down channel. And after the breakout, it rallied very well from this low to this high. That was almost 94.5% rally. By the way, you can see that before the breakout, the price and also formed this double bottom here as well. This was the first bottom after this drop, and this was the second bottom, and the price then finally broke out the resistance of this down channel and formed another up channel. And for the past several days, it was moving between the resistance and support of this channel. And finally, we have also broken out this resistance. But after breaking out these two channels, the price line so far is not able to break out this quite long-term resistance of 80 cents that had been previously working as a very strong support on a 7 days time frame chart. Now we are switched to the 7 days time frame chart from a daily time frame. And you can see that this 80 cents has been previously working as a very strong support for several weeks or months here. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into a very strong resistance. We got rejection here. And now the price line is again struggling to break out this resistance. And you can see that we have already broken out a quite long-term resistance, a multi-year space resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern. Therefore, now there is a probability that the price line may continue this rally to the upside for the long term, because this was a quite long-term resistance coming from the month of November 2021. And now at the same time, it is also trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that since this cloud was flipped into a bearish cloud, in fact, from here, it has been breaking as a very strong resistance. We got rejection here, and here, and now the price is again trying to break out this cloud. But this time we have broken out this very long-term resistance of the falling wedge pattern. Therefore, now there is a probability that we may soon break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance as well. And after that, this cloud will be flipped into a very strong and long-term support for the price line. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $6.50 to $7. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.